Stop losing and start winning. This strategy that I'm about to show you has a 92% win rate. It has real results and you can make real amount of money. Don't miss your only chance to pass that funded account that you've been waiting on for such a long time. Don't miss your chance to make lots and lots of profits, just like Samantha right here. Let's get straight into what the pros don't want you to know about, okay? So, the first thing that you need to do is have the highs and the lows of Asian session marked out, just like I'm doing right here. You can see the highs, and there we have the lows right here, okay? So you can see right here, this is the ICT SILVERBULLET V2 strategy, okay? This is the second version. Works on NAS 100, Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold, and S&P 500. Make sure you trade within the 7 to 11 London kill zone, all right? Only within that time frame, we're going to be trading and taking our trade. 5-minute time frame, by the way. So I'm going to be marking out my vertical line where we're actually going to be trading. This is going to be the time right here, 7. And we need to look for any distinct movements in the market, any mitigation of liquidity, anything like that. Okay, so if I play price forward right here, you can see price is actually just taking out the lows of Asian session. So we can actually mark this out as a sweep of liquidity. We're going to put liquidity right here. Right, so we can see that the lows have just been swept. Right, so we need to identify if price sweeps Asian sessions buy side or sell side liquidity, and then we look for the reversal opportunities. What this means, it means if the lows have been swept like here, we need to look for buys. Okay, we need to look for buys towards the upside. But if the highs would have been swept, we would have been looking for lows or sells. Okay, so now I'm going to be playing price forward. Now what we're looking for in the market is a market structure shift with an engulfing candlestick. Okay, this is exactly what we're looking for. All right, so the engulfing candlestick just makes our entry way more confirmed and better. But if you don't find an engulfing candlestick, it's not the end of the world. You can still enter. Okay, so now what we're looking for is actually a market structure shift. Okay, so you can see right here we got our most recent high. This is a very, very fractional high. You can see because the candle before it and the candle after it did not go above it, which makes this a high. And you can see it's just been swept right here. You need to actually start focusing and start identifying things like this, because this is what separates you from the traders like me and multiple others that have actually gotten payouts with me. This is what separates us, okay? They follow to exact detail, all right? So this is the market structure shift right here. And what I'm going to be doing now is actually marking out the high probability fair value gap, and we can execute straight on the fair value gap, okay? Play price forward. You can see right here we have a fair value gap right there. This is what we're going to be marking out. This is my fair value gap. And all we need to do now is literally enter a high off of this, okay? You can see it's already entered right here. Price has already been inside it. And you place your stop loss just below the FEG candle, and you place your take profit at a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. You can see how easily this trade is going to play out. You can see how much profits we can make literally off of this, okay? You can see right here, literally 2 candles and it's already smashed take profit. All right, you don't even need anything else. But you can see if you wanted to hold it out, you could have easily made, let's say 1.6 there we go. We could have easily hit a 6.17 risk reward ratio trade. Okay, this is so easy and it works so well. All right, if you don't know, I've actually redone my whole mentorship. Okay, it's still $49 only for today though, literally only for today. If you don't get it after today, I'm sorry, but it's gonna go all the way up to $100. All right, but this mentorship is the best. You can see all the results right here in front of your face. You can see everything happening. Okay, if you don't join us now, you will never ever become profitable. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you that it's a fact. All right, but let's just go straight to the next example right now. But just before we go to the next example, let me just show you the amount of results we've been getting. This is literally our EA after one day. Okay, you can see yesterday it's made $166. It's running up so well. You can see Olivia Thompson right here has made so much money, 17,000. She changed her whole life completely. Okay, with my fast pass service, where I pass your account, pass your phase 1, phase 2, I can manage it for you after, and it's completely for free. Okay, the managing is completely free, and I'll teach you my secret strategy on how to make 2% every single week, okay, with the funded account when I pass your challenges. Okay, we take care of everything, so make sure you actually join us. Then first, it will be a link in the description for this. Make sure you join it, and you're going to see the results yourself. You're going to reach out to me, and if you don't want to wait all of that time, just reach out to me straight away. mstrays at Telegram. Okay, but I'm going to be moving on right now. For this example, I'm actually going to challenge you, okay? I'm going to challenge you to see what you actually know and what you remember from this. I'm not going to go back on the spreadsheet. I'm going to go on it one last time. You can see everything right here, and I'm going to be challenging you right now, okay? So first step is, what is the first step? We need to mark out the highs and the lows of Asian session, okay? If you got that right, make sure you comment below saying you got that right, okay? So highs and lows, and now you need to see which one gets taken out first. You can see right here the lows have just been taken out. After the lows have been taken out, what we need to do is aim the trade towards the upside. Okay, it's so simple. You just aim the trade towards the upside, and now what we're looking for is an engulfing candlestick and a market structure shift. Okay, it doesn't have to be an engulfing candlestick, but we need that market structure shift 100%. Right, so now let me just zoom in a little bit. You can see right here, this is the most recent high, because the candle before it and after it did not actually go above it. If I play price forward, you're going to see it's just taken out right there. Okay, so this is our market structure shift that we're going to be using. There we go. Okay, this is the market structure shift, and now what we need is a fair value gap. Okay, fair value gap displacement, and we can enter straight off of that and make so much profits. Okay, so what can you see now? You can easily see a fair value gap that's just formed right here. It's high probability as well. All you need to do is enter off of this right here and place your stop loss just below this candle. Place your take profit at a 1 to 2.5 to 3 risk reward ratio. Okay, this is all you need. Now if I play price forward, you're gonna see how it goes, how it enters right there, and it's just completely smashed take profit. Okay, it's easily, this trade, it could have easily run up to 1.6, even 1.7 if you really wanted it to, but we're gonna stick to 1.3 for now. And you can see how literally one wick came in and it's absolutely smashed through the roof of this trade. Okay, I'm going to be showing you exactly how this concept actually works and how everything is settled. All right, so for this actual strategy, all you need to imagine is price doing whatever it wants, taking whatever form it wants, but once it actually hits our trading time, which is going to be our 7 o'clock open candle, once it hits our trading time, we need to mark out the highs and lows of each session. Okay, so let's say this is the highs, and let's say this is the lows of each session. All right, so once we marked out the highs and the lows, we need to see which one actually gets taken out first. Let's say the lows have just been taken out. Once the lows have been taken out, what you've got to do is actually aim the trade towards the upside and just focus on taking buys. Okay, once lows have been taken, all we need to look for is engulfing candlestick with a market structure shift. So let's say price went back up, down, went back up, down here, and there we go. This is what we're waiting for. We need this high to be taken out, which will actually count as our market structure shift. Okay, so it's the market structure shift right here. And once price, let me just put this as a rectangle format. Once price actually goes and takes this out, takes our market structure shift out, this is all the confirmation we need. And now all we need to do is find a fair value gap. Okay, and how are you gonna find out, you're asking? Maybe all you gotta do is just wait for the next candles to form. Let's say this next candle formed like this. This is all we need to now just enter off of this FVG. Let me just mark this out for you guys. And all you've got to do is just enter off of this, placing your stop loss just below this candle right here, placing a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, and price will literally do exactly what I'm gonna show you right now. It'll go back down, tap into this area, enter in your trade, and then it'll go back up and shoot all the way up. Okay, this is exactly what price is going to do. This is the blueprint of your profitability. But if you want to actually lock in these profits that I'm actually telling you about, and these results that you're going to be getting, all you got to do is get my mentorship. It's literally a limited time offer. It's a one-time payment. You get weekly calls. You get a secret strategy, not just one. You get 2 secret strategies of mine that I use to make 6 figures every single year consistently. Okay, also you get access to like-minded people in my Discord community, full inclusive. You also get a full course, gaining so much videos. I'm talking 20 plus videos on every single thing you can think about in trading. Just look at the results, testimonials. Look at this person. He's made $300 literally off of one trade. Okay, you can see all these results. You can see Zones right here. He's made so much with this account. Literally only lost $16 loss only. Okay, I don't know how you're not getting this. You need to get this right now. But I'll see you in the next video. Anyways, take care.